Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the necessary items and positioning your team. This step matters because the weather mechanics require specific triggers. Once you have the Tome of Weather, Storm Lantern, and Wind Charm, move to the eastern approach of the central shrine. Assign one teammate to watch for ambushes while you inspect the storm gate, probe the rune patterns with the tome. Doing this early prevents resets and keeps the lightning pattern predictable, so start interacting with the gate now. You now execute the core ritual sequence. Timing and order control the storm frequency. Begin by activating the shrine runes in the red, blue, green sequence because that aligns the conduits. Once done, use the storm lantern to illuminate hidden channels and place the wind charm to alter the current. This reduces lightning strike targets. Make sure to clear 2 guardian waves between activations as defeated guardians anchor the ritual. If you rush, the pattern will reset, so pace your actions deliberately. You finish by synchronizing the artifacts. This locks the ritual and dissipates the storm. Read the tome while both charms are active for 6 to 8 seconds, because the ritual requires that overlap to sever the storm anchor. Once the storm fades, sweep the island to pick up dropped items and speak to the shrine keeper to record progress. If lightning persists, reposition the wind charm 3 meters left and reapply the storm lantern. Alternatively, log out and back in to reset server-side weather timers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.